My name is Ronke. If you've never been on my channel before, don't forget to subscribe and join the family. Today I'm going to be showing you a very in-depth tutorial for beginners on how to apply lashes. Oh, hi. First things first, I have already put on my makeup, face on fleek. I have no mascara, no liner on. This is the best way to start off your lash application. I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Life Liner. The one thing I love about liner is even if you mess up with lash application, the liner covers it. My favorite lashes are from False Beauty. They are from Amazon. I will link where you can get them in the description box. These are the lashes, pretty nice. I like the style. I've noticed what style of lashes looks good with my eyes, and these type of lashes, they always make any makeup look I wear pop, and they're just perfect for me. You want to use your thumb basically to roll the lash out. The reason why you use your thumb is because you don't want the lash band to tear either. These are just regular tweezers from ABH, from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I use these tweezers most of the time because it is easier for me. These are more beginner friendly tweezers you can use. I've noticed with this, you just take the lash and you can just apply it. I'll show you using both tweezers so that you guys can see how they work. Attach your lash to your tweezer in this manner. Your tweezer in the middle of the lash. This is the best way I've noticed to apply your lash glue. I actually do have curly lashes. I know that there's different types of curly lashes. There's curly lashes that they curl and they curl into themselves, and there's curly lashes where it's like you're able to be malleable and like put them down. If you apply lashes in the correct way, no matter how curly your lashes are, you will be able to put them in the right place. If you have a lash curler in an upside down position, instead of using it right side up like it's used, you can use this in an upside down position and hold it for about 1 to 2 minutes. It will help your lashes straighten out, and you can place the lashes. Taking a mirror like this, any old mirror you have, this is my Fenty mirror, so I'm going to put it at an angle towards my chin, so in a way where I can look down into the mirror. This is the trick. This is literally the trick on how to wear lashes. You are going to look down into the mirror. Do you see how low my mirror is? It's like this low. I am looking down into the mirror so that when I apply the lashes, I'm coming towards my eye like this. So the first part of the lash that should touch your eye is the middle part. The middle part touching your eye first is going to help you apply the back and the front, which are areas that always lift. This is definitely one of my favorites. It comes in black. You can tell it's black, so it's gray, but it dries down black. How much lash glue do you put? You just squeeze out a little bead of lash glue. You're going to run the lash over the lash glue, so make sure that the most of the glue is on the ends, so put a little, just dip it in. My lash has lash glue on it. It's not that much, it's not that little, it's just perfect amount. This is where it gets tricky. Most people try to put on their lashes immediately. That is going to be a fail. Depending on the amount of lash glue you put on your lash is how long you should wait. Most of the time for me, I usually wait about 1 minute for my lash glue because I do put a little bit more than I'm supposed to put on. However, if you apply a very thin strip of lash glue, 30 seconds should be enough. Now, how do you know the lash glue is dry? You know the lash glue is dry or tacky because we don't want your lash glue to dry down. Sometimes you can touch it, and if you touch it and you can tell that it's not that wet anymore, you can now start your application. Looking down into the mirror and placing my lashes from the top. Place the middle first. So I'm going to go and place the middle first. Now, as you can tell, it's not on properly, obviously. We're going to place the middle and then adjust the front. So pull the front, make sure the front is where you want it to be, and make sure the back is where you want it to be. And as you can tell, it was very easy for me to put on these lashes. Why? Because I've mastered the art of putting on these specific lashes. After I've applied my lash, I take a little bit of mascara still and I use it to join my lash and the lash extensions. And I'm going to take my fingers and look down also and press that lash together. The difference between lashes and no lashes, extremely key. Lashes will definitely change your makeup game. I'm not gonna talk when I'm doing the other eye. I'm just gonna let you guys watch and see how to get it done. An added bonus, because I always get asked about my bottom lashes, I'm going to show you guys how I get my bottom lashes to pop. Also, I'm somebody who, because I wear top lashes, I spend a lot of time perfecting my bottom lashes. I do have naturally long bottom lashes, so I like to enhance them. I'm going to start off by applying one coat of mascara, the new Fenty Full Frontal Mascara. And I'm just going to apply that to my bottom lashes. And what I like about this brush is it's multi-dimensional. So you can use it on the flat side and you can also use it on the smaller side. So you can tell the difference between this side and this side. You can see that the lashes really came out here, and here needs a little bit of believe in you. I know you got this. This is not hard for you. Encourage yourself. You got this. You are going to be able to put on lashes this year, and then may the lash gods be with you. Leave some comments down below if there's something that I said in the video that you needed clarification on, and I will see you in my next tutorial. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button down below. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next tutorial.